Dear students, we are on part 5 on circle. Okay, circle. Look over here. Look here. 40 degrees given to us over here, and we are to find these angles. Yes or not? This angle. See, this is radius. This one is also radius. So base angles are equal. Yes or not? This is 40 means this is also 40 degree. Correct? Both are 40, so 80 degrees. Yes, 40 plus 40 is 80. So angles of triangle is total 180. Yes, 80 is this side, so this must be 100 degree. Yes, total 180 degree. So this is a straight line, this is a diameter. Yes or not? This is a straight line or diameter. This is 100 degree, then this side must be 80 degree. Why? Because in straight line there is 180 degree as total. Yes or not? If this much is 80 degree, yes, 80 degree has arc which one? A and D. On AD arc, here C angle is standing. Yes, so if this is 80, then this is 40 degree. Done? Okay, now let's focus over here. What is asked over here? This question, let me see here. The same question is this one. Okay, so we have been given here in the given figure, O is the center of the circle if OPM is 10 degree. What is OPM? OPM, okay, this one is how much degree? 10 degree. Yes, and PMQ, so here it is PMQ. This angle is given to us, this angle is 40 degree. Yes, 40 degree. Okay, and we are set to find the value of MPQ. MPQ, this part, this much. Yes or not? So first of all, while we are doing this one, if this is 40, this one is 80 degree. Yes, this is central angle. Central angle has arc PQ. Yes, arc PQ in the central angle, and this angle M also has the arc PQ. Can you see the two legs? One is standing on P, and that is standing on Q. Yes, if this is 40, this is on the circumference, this is inscribed angle, and the central angle is exactly double of the inscribed angle, which is standing on the circumference. Yes, so 42 is a 80 degree. Can you get it? Okay, now let me make you understand by making a figure over here, something like this. Yes, this is a circle, and we do have something like this. Yes, this is the center, like this, like this. Yes, and from here like this, it is like this. Yes, this one is like this. Yes, this one is 40 degree, this one is exactly 80 degree. Yes, this one is exactly 80 degree. Upper one is how much degree? Given to us is 10 degree. Yes, and this one is the radius, this one is also the radius, and so this is the base angle. Yes, if I say it is x, then this one is also base angle, which is x degree. Yes or not? So x plus, look, this one is 80 degree in this triangle. Okay, in this triangle, this one, in this triangle, this one. Okay, in this triangle you can see x plus 80 degree equals to 180 degree, being the sum of angles of triangle. So it is 2x degree equals to 180 minus 80 is 100. X degree is equals to how much degree? 50 degree. Yes or not? If this one total is 50 degree, yes, this total is 50 degree. Can you see there? So if we divide this in two part, this is lower part and this one is upper part. Yes, lower part suppose A and upper part suppose B. So we have A plus B is equal to 50 degree. Yes or not? 50 degree only. Or A plus B is 10 degree is equal to 50 degree. Yes, so A is equal to 50 minus 10, so which is your 40 degree. Yes or not? So there you are with the solution. Okay, look at this question. Here given OABC is the rhombus, and we have to find the angle. Which one? BAC. Okay, BAC angle is to be found out. Okay, See in the figure, this angle is to be found out, yes or not? Yes, can you see this? Okay, in rhombus all angles are equal, yes. So this all angles are equal. So if this angle is x, then this angle is also x, yes or no? Yes. So let me choose any arc here. I'm choosing this arc BC, and I'm constructing an angle on the circumference from the BC arc. So this is the central angle, and this is the inscribed angle from the same arc BC. So this must be x by 2. Yes, let it be D now. Now we can see ABCD is equal to cyclic quadrilateral, yes or not? ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral now, because all four corners 1 2 3 4, all four corners are on the what? Circle, yes. So in the cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angle sum makes 180 degrees. So x plus x by 2 is equal to 180 degree, being the sum of opposite angles of the cyclic quadrilateral makes that is supplementary, yes or not? Opposite angles are supplementary. So if we take the LCM, this is 2, so it is 2x plus x is equal to 180 degree. I hope you know to take the LCM. Okay, so cross multiply this one. So when we multiply 2 with 180, so x is equal to 180 into 2 divided by 3, which is your 120 degree. 62 is a 1, okay, this is your 120 degree. Okay, did you get it? Yes. Okay, let us focus on this question. We are set to find the angle PRQ. This is P, this is R, and this one is Q. Can you see this? Yes. And we have been given that OP is equal to PQ. OP, this one OP is equal to PQ. Yes or not? And you can see that this one and this one is the radius. This one and this one is the radius. So this one is also equal. So see here, all three sides are equal. So OPQ is equal to which triangle? Equilateral triangle, yes or not? In equilateral triangle, angles is how many? Each angle is how many degree? 60 degree, yes or not? So we can see that this angle, this angle, this angle, all are how many degree? 60 degree, yes. Now you see this angle has arc PQ, yes. Where R angle R yeah, PRQ, this angle has arc, which arc is this? PQ arc, yes or not? And central angle O angle is also having PQ arc, and we know that central angle is 2 times of inscribed angle. Central angle is how much? It is 60 degree, and 2 times of inscribed angle, that is PRQ, which is your x or whichever. 60 divided by 2 is equal to x, or therefore x is equal to how many degree? 30 degree. Are you getting? I'm supposing that angle, I'm supposing this angle as x degree. Okay, x degree, very easy. Look at the figure once. Here, OP, this OP is parallel to RQ, and we have to find this angle. Okay, this is central angle, we have to find this one. See this angle, and this angle are alternate angle, yes or not? Between these two parallel lines, this angle and this angle is the alternate angle, because they are Z shape, yes or not? Look at this, is Z like, yes or no? So this angle and this angle is equal. Why? They are alternate angles. This angle, look here, angle R has arc PQ, yes or not? Angle R has arc PQ, and angle O also has arc PQ, because angle R legs, one is at P, one is at Q. Angle O legs, one is at P and that is at Q. Can you see this? Okay. So the relation is, what is the relation between the inscribed and central angle? Central angle is 2 times of inscribed angle, yes or not? Central angle we don't know, but inscribed angle is 30 degree, so it's 60 degree, yes or not? This one is 30 degree, and this one is your 60 degree. Understood?